Welcome to my channel once again, and today I am going to teach you a most expected question 2026 Neet physics at the rate of KVS Hyderabad. My name is Ashok and my number is here, free of cost. I am just helping you, all the students. Come on, let's find the current given in network. You can see here network is so much complicated network over here, so much complicated. So here how many resistances are connected? Resistors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 resistances, and the time is very less. This is asked in 2025. You see the complex of this question. This question is asking what is the current going from the battery, going out from the battery. This is what is asking. This is what is asking. Okay. So in this case, whenever such a question comes, you don't have fright. डरना नहीं थोड़ा अपना नॉलेज को रिकलेक्ट करना. इसमें बहुत सारा चीज है इसमें. फर्स्ट वन इज this is a whetstone bridge. This is like whetstone bridge. You can see here, right? Whetstone bridge is a network. It is having 4 resistors are connected in a quadrilateral form. One of the diagonal battery is connected, other diagonal galvanometer is connected. That all there in your already you have learned in your current electricity, right? And another thing is series, parallel, all complicated it is. First of all, when you see this portion, this will be looking like whetstone bridge. So whetstone bridge, what should be the ratio? P by Q equal to R by S. P by Q equal to R by S, or P by Q equal to R by S. So now whether the bridge is balanced or not, you have to see. Then only you have to apply that rule. Otherwise you can't apply such a rule. So you need to apply such a rule only if you satisfied with the balance condition. Balance condition means what? P by Q is equal to R by S. Anything you can take here. Here 2.5. Here I have taken balance point checking 5 by 2.5. So that means what it is. This is the galvanometer. So you have here 5 divided by 2.5. That is this 2 across the vertex of the B. 5 divided by 2.5, it will be 2. Then again you have to see this 2. 3 divided by 1.5 ohms. So again 2. So bridge is got balanced. That is the first thing what you have to do. Then only you can. पहले चेक करना बैलेंस है नहीं है. बैलेंस नहीं है तो आप अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. Then immediately you take this portion. What is the condition for this? When it is bridge is balanced, the resistances are added. So what will happen? 5 plus 3. Where is 5 plus 3? This is coming to 5 and 3 are in series. A series में आ जाएगा because it is balanced. These 2 are in series. These 2 are in series. So 5 plus 3 will become 8. Alright? And 2.5 plus 1.5 is 4. That is the resistance. Once it is balanced, whetstone bridge is balanced, right? Then you can see that they are connected in series. It is connected in series. Now what you got? 8, 4. If this 8 and 4 is just this one this one is a series connection, this is a series connection. Again they are in parallel. Parallel, when you connect here, parallel rule is 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, like that. Okay. So now here it is, one is R1 is 8 ohm and R2 is 4 ohm. Take 8 LCM and then you will get 1 plus 2, 3 by 8. 3 by 8 reciprocal RP equal to 8 by 3. That means this entire thing resistance will become 8.3. Then what else is here? What else are there? Now this is becoming one resistor, that is 8.3. Then it is connected series to this, series to this, series to this. So total network, again you see that series connection, parallel connection, whetstone bridge, how many things are added. Not easily to solve this within 1 minute. It is very difficult. and options will be given to you and you cannot judge. So you should do such a practice questions, then only you will come up. You will get the definite marks in your Neet exam. So now I hope you understood balanced, and we have taken series connection, then parallel connection. All together this network completely is 8.3 ohms. Now how many resistors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. They are in series. So now network resistance, complete network resistance will become, first one is 1.1 by 3. Second one is this entire thing, that is 8 by 3 plus, and this is 1.5, this is again 5.5. All you add, then take LCM, then when you add these two it will become 7, and 7 by 1, 3 LCM, then 1 plus 8 plus 7 into 3, 21, altogether 30 by 3, then you will get here 10. I hope you understood this. So now what is the network resistance? Entire resistance will become this. Then once again you have to remember Ohm's law. How many things are you have to remember? You see, first series connection, series combination formula, parallel combination formula, then network whetstone bridge. Then again you have to remember Ohm's law. Ohm's law is what we call IR. That you know, I don't want to discuss. This is from 10th class onwards you are going to see that. So I equal to V by R. I is how much? 5 by 5. This is I. I is 5. Then R is network, total network is how much you got network resistance? 10 ohm. This is 10 ohm. So then 5 by 10 will become 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5. So options are given. In that, one of the option is 1.5. You have to tick mark like this. If you like my teaching, please subscribe and come to the online class free of cost. This is the number. If you have any query, you can just call me and come to the class. Thank you.